हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज़ आलोक मिश्रा एंड वेलकम बैक टू द महादेव एकेडमी। पिछले सेशन में हम लोगों ने एक टॉपिक चालू करा था रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ। उसमें इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट्स वगैरह हम लोग के हो गए थे। एक अगला टॉपिक उसका आता है पॉपुलेशन एंड द स्टेबुलेशन एंड बर्थ कंट्रोल। तो पॉपुलेशन स्टेबुलेशन एंड बर्थ कंट्रोल क्या होता है? इन द लास्ट सेंचुरी एंड ऑल अराउंड डेवलपमेंट इन वेरिएशन फील्ड significantly improve the quality of life of the people. However, increase the health facility along with better living condition had the explosive impact on the growth of population. In world population, which was around 2 billion in 1990, the world population 2 billion थी 1990 तक, rocket to the about 6 मिलियन बाय 207.2 बिलियन इन 2011 कि 2000 तक ये गई 6 बिलियन और 2011 तक ये गई 7.2 बिलियन। अ सिमिलर ट्रेंड वॉज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन इंडिया टू। ये ऐसा ही सिमिलर ट्रेंड ऑब्जर्व हुआ इंडिया में। आवर पॉपुलेशन विच वॉज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 350 मिलियन, जो अपनी पॉपुलेशन अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 350 मिलियन एट द टाइम ऑफ आवर इंडिपेंडेंस के टाइम जो अपनी पॉपुलेशन 350 मिलियन थी, रीच क्लोज टू द बिलियन मार्क बाय 2000 एंड क्रॉस्ड 1.2 बिलियन इन मई 2011। वो 2011 तक 1.2 बिलियन तक पहुंच गए। आ रैपिड डिक्लाइन इन द डेथ रेट, जो रैपिड डिक्लाइन हुआ है डेथ रेट में, मटेरियल मोर्टेलिटी रेट MMR एंड इन्फेक्ट मोर्टेलिटी रेट IMR, as well as an increase in number of population in reproductive age are probable reason for this thought. Our reproductive child health RCH program thought with cloud bring down the population growth rate. It was only marginal according to the 2011 census report. Population growth rate was less than 2%, 20 by 1000 year. A rate at which our population could increase rapidly, such as alarming growth rate cloud lead to an absolute scarcity of even the basic requirement food, shelter and clothing. In the spread significant progress made the those area. Therefore the government was forced to take up serious measure to check the population growth rate. Major important step to overcome this problem is to motivate smaller family by using variation contraceptive method. जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप होता है इस ओवरकम प्रॉब्लम का, टू मोटिवेट द स्मॉलर फैमिली बाय यूजिंग द वेरियस कॉन्सेप्ट, जो मोटिवेट कर स्मॉलर फैमिली को बाय द वेरियस कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड थे। यू माइट हैव सीन द कपल विथ 2 चिल्ड्रन विद द स्लोकर हम दो हमारे, ये जो वी टू आवर टू, मैनी कपल्स mostly the young urban working ones have even adopt and the one child norm. Statutory rising of marriageable age of the female to 18 years and the male to 21 years. Incentive given to the couple which smaller family are two of the other measure taken to tackle this problem. Let us describe our the commonly use contraceptive method which help to prevent the unwanted pregnancy. The ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, effective, the reversible with no or the least side of effect. It also should not interfere with the sexual drive, desire, or the sexual act of the user. The wide range of contraceptive methods are presently available, which could be broadly grouped into the following categories, namely nature traditional barriers, IUDs, oral contraceptive, injectable implant, surgical methods. Natural methods are the principle of the avoiding change to ovum and sperm meeting. Periodic abstinence is on such method in which the couple avoid the abstinence from the coitus from day 10 to 17 menstrual cycle, when ovulation could be accepted. Periodic abstinence is one which method when the couple avoid the abstinence from the coitus 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle days में ये अवॉइड होते हैं. As chances to fertilization are very high during this period. इसमें चांस होता है कि fertilization very high होता है इस पीरियड में. It is called the fertile period. इसको fertile period भी बोलते हैं. Therefore, by the abstaining from the coitus during this period, conception could be prevented, withdrawal and the coitus interrupted. In other method in which the male partner withdraw this penis from the vagina just because ejaculation, so as to avoid the examination lectus absence of menstruation method is based on the fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur there during the period of intense electing following parturition. Therefore, the long as the mother breastfeed the child fully, chance to be conception are almost nil. यहाँ पे chance होता है conception almost nil हो. However, this method has been reported in the effective only up to maximum period of 6 months following parturition, as no medicine or device are used. These methods side effect are almost nil. इसके side effect almost nil होते हैं. Chance to be failure thought of the method are also high. In barrier method, ovum and sperm. Barrier method में ovum and sperm are prevented from the physically meeting, which is help to barrier. इसमें which is help, ये barrier method में ovum and sperm the prevented physical meeting में help with the help of barriers, such as method are available from the both male and female condoms are barrier made up thin rubber lacteous cells that are used to cover the penis in the male or vagina or cervix in the female just before coitus, so that the ejaculation semen would not enter in the female reproductive tract. This can be prevent conception. Nirod is a popular brand of the condom for the male. Another effective and popular method in the use of intrauterine devices. These devices insert by the doctor or the expert nurses in the uterus thought vagina. These intrauterine devices are presently available in non-medical iodines, copper releasing iodines, CuTCU7, Multitol 375, and the hormones are released the iodines Progestate LNG 50. ये इम्प्लांटमेंट होती. Fertilize the hormone released iodines in the addition make the uterus unsuitable for implementation and the cervix hostile to the sperm. Iodines are the ideal contraceptive for the female who want to the delay pregnancy or the space children. It is one of the most widely accepted method for the contraception in India. Oral administration of the small doses to the either progesterone or the progesterone estrogen combination in the other contraceptive method using by the female that are the used to the form of the tablet and the hence the popular called the pills. इसको pills कहते हैं. ये tablet form में होता है. tablet है. Pills have been to the taken daily for a period 21 days starting the preferable within the first 5 days of the menstrual cycle after the gap of the 7 days during the which the menstrual occurs. It has been the repeated in the same pattern till the female desire to the prevent conception that in which ovulation and the implementation has been well alter the quality of cervical muscles to prevent the retard enter to the sperm. Pills and the very effective the laser side effect and the well accepted by the female. Sadly, the new oral contraceptive the female contain the non-steroidal preparation. It is the ones of the weak pills with the very few days side effect the high contraceptive values. Progesterone along in the combination with the estrogen can also used to the female ejections and the implant under the skin. Progesterone alone or the combination with estrogen. Progesterone alone combination with the estrogen can also use the female ejection for the implant. ये यूज होता है फीमेल एज इजेक्शन एंड इम्प्लांट अंडर द स्किन के लिए. देयर मोड ऑफ एक्शन सिमिलर टू द पिल्स दैट देयर इफेक्टिव पीरियड आर मच लॉन्गर. ये सेम ऐसा एक्शन होता है पिल्स में, इसका इफेक्टिव पीरियड लॉन्गर होता है. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर प्रोगेस्ट्रॉन और द प्रोगेस्ट्रॉन ईस्टोन combination iodine with the 72-hour coitus have been found to be the very effective emergency contraceptive as they crowd we used to the avoid for possible pregnancy. ये अवॉइड करता है पॉसिबल प्रेगनेंसी को. ड्यू टू कॉजेज अनप्रोटेक्टेड इंटरकोर्स. सर्जिकल मेथड ऑल्सो आर sterilization and general advice for the male and female partner as the terminal method to the prevent any more pregnancy. Surgical intervention block gametes transform to thereby prevent conception. Sterilization procedure to the male is called the vasectomy and the female is the tubectomy. The vasectomy is smaller part of the vest defense to the remove the tight throat. Transport of the their work consists स्टेरिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस इन द मेल में कहते हैं. मेल वाले स्टेरिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस को कहते हैं वैसेक्टोमी एंड द फीमेल स्टेरिलाइजेशन प्रोसीजर को कहते हैं ट्यूबेक्टोमी. स्मॉलर पार्ट ऑफ द डिफेंस इज द रिमूव द टाइट ऑफ द थ्रोट. द स्मॉल इंक्रीज incision of the scrotum. Therefore, the tubectomy is smaller part of the fallopian tube. The tubectomy होता है fallopian tube का smaller part होता है. इस remove or the tied up through the small initiation of the abdomen or the throat vagina. There the technique is the higher effective by, but their reversibility is very poor. I need to the emphasized that the selection of suitable contraceptive method and its use should be also undertaken in consultation with the qualified medical profession. One must also remember that contraceptives are not regular requirement for the maintenance of reproductive health. In fact, they are practiced against the natural reproductive events. Once of process to use their method, either the prevent pregnancy of the delay space pregnancy due to personal reason. No doubt the widespread use to these method have to a significant role of the chicken uncontrollable growth and population. However, this the possible ill effect like nausea, abdominal pain. However, there possible ill effects होते हैं nausea, abdominal pain, breakout bleeding, irregular menstruation bleeding or the even breast cancer, but that are not very significant, should not be totally ignored. ये ignore नहीं, ये should not be totally ignored, इसे ignore नहीं किया जा सकता. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. अगला टॉपिक हम लोग का होने वाला है मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी.